You're probably disappointed about the free you missed in the end, but what a day for Kilkenny again.
Yeah, it would have been a sweet one to finish it off, of course. But yeah, look, massive game for us. We haven't won a league final in 4 years, so plenty of motivation here today. Great excitement, you know, Nolan Park, Tipperary, league final, special occasions. These are the days that you want to be playing. We've came a long way for sure, but we are progressing as the games go on. But it's a very long year yet.
You've been around enough to know that it's ups and downs in this game, TJ, but after losing, I should say, the first 2 rounds of the league, did you think that today was a possibility at all?
Yeah, you know, I believe in this team 100%. We have a great panel of players. Yeah, we lost by 3 points against Cork, 3 points against Clare, missing 6-7 players as well. And today won the league final, and still 3 or 4 starting players to come back. So there's great belief here. But look, league final is in April. Our Ireland final is where we want to be, but a long road to go for that. I think 7 games to win in our Ireland this year, so there's going to be ups and downs. But yeah, look, great day for Kilkenny.
You've mentioned All Ireland twice in that answer, and I'm sure the Kilkenny people will be mentioning it as well. But nobody was giving you a chance coming into this campaign, TJ, and I'm sure that hurt must have spurred the players on, especially when you were introducing so many new players for the spring.
Yeah, maybe. I think each player uses as much motivation as they want. They can get motivation from people talking down on us, or they can get motivation for winning. So, but yeah, look, it's a long year yet. League final is great, but a long road yet.
Cats are back though.
Yeah.
All right, Cóhart agus le TJ Reid agus ar ceann Allianz, Peter Kilcullen of Running Gradam Leach na Himra TJ.